Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a whole house transformation. Clean with me, and we're going to be doing this all day. I did time lapse it for y'all so y'all wouldn't have to be here for 8 hours, but we got it all done. It was a mess. This is Monday actually, and Mondays are always like this. On the weekends, my husband's home and we spend a lot of time together, and this weekend we had family down, so we just enjoyed our time with them. So anyway, I needed to clean this house because it was a complete disaster. So anyway, I'm gonna hop into it. I'm going to start by doing the laundry. I usually go around and pick up all the laundry throughout the house and get it in the laundry room so I don't miss anything. And then I go to my kitchen because my kitchen is the heart of the home, and also we have a very open floor concept in the house, so I like to get everything that can be seen when you walk in the door clean first, and that's how I usually do it. So anyway, I really hope this gets y'all motivated. I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. I usually do one once or twice a week. Sometimes 3, it depends. But anyway, I'm gonna hop into this and I hope y'all enjoy.
You and I, we're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write.
And as you can see here, the island's cleaned off. That is because for some reason the lighting was horrible. Sometimes when I'm filming I get those lines and I can't stand it, so I'd rather just leave it out than have y'all watch that. So anyway, yeah, sorry about that, but I did clean the island off and now I just have to wipe it down. But I just wanted to hop on and explain why that was clean.
God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope, 'cause I'm in love, you're a star burning bright in my heart. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag, decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid, cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. We're going away, get you back, check the tag, journey for life, and it's already paid, cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life and I'm alright. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. A journey for life, I'm alive. No, 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 no. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me. 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy?
My mother-in-law and I went shopping this weekend, and we went to Bed Bath & Beyond, and they had a nice clearance section. So I found this, she found this Bona, I don't know how you say it, but it was a whole mop set, and it came with the cleaner and the mop. So I'm just giving that a try, and I actually really like it, so I might be using this from now on. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on and say that. I'm usually using my microfiber cloth mop, but today I really wanted to try this new mop. I love trying new cleaning products. It's like part of the fun of cleaning is trying new stuff. So anyway, yeah, so, and now I'm just spraying the air to make it smell nice. But anyway, and now we're in my living room, and it usually doesn't get this messy. I was surprised, but anyway, I'm just gonna clean in here. I also got some new curtains, and I really like those. I have rearranged them over and over again, but finally I think I got it where I like it. And we found the rods, and they actually match the wood trim really well. My husband loved that. So anyway, and also we got a new desk over there. It's antique from his uncle's. His uncle was just moving and getting rid of stuff. So my husband went and picked up a few things, and he got that antique desk, and I love it in the living room. So anyway. And also you'll see that the chests are gone. I actually put those in the kids' rooms. We are going to paint them. Right now we cannot go outside at all. There is crazy mosquitoes out there. Our area flooded last week, and we got about 23 inches of rain. So now the mosquitoes have hatched, and they are crazy. So I don't even go outside at all right now. The kids don't go outside at all. My poor husband has to go outside because he has to work. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to hop on and explain all that. So let me get back to cleaning.
And you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
I was trying something new with the bed, put way too many pillows on it, and I don't like it, so I'll be making my bed the old way from now on, but I just wanted to try that out. And I also got new curtains for in here, so it's really nice. It feels more private, it feels more like a bedroom, and yeah, I really like it. But I'm still on the hunt for a new comforter set. We still don't like this one. I want something lighter. So anyway, I might just get a cover for that comforter. I don't know yet. We'll see. But anyway, yeah.
Living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose that already found sunlight. The feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
And now we're in my daughter's room, and you can see that I moved those chests in here, and then I just covered that one with some unicorn fabric. It's not going to stay like that. We are going to paint both of them. Hers will probably be something with unicorns, or I don't know. And then I put the one in my son's room, and his will probably be something with dinosaurs. But anyway, I just put them in there for now to get them out of the way. I cannot go outside, like I said, because of the mosquitoes, but I can't wait to paint those with them and let them choose what they want on them. They were actually my dad's, and he passed away, so I just keep them with me. And so yeah, hopefully we can get them fixed up nice and make them look good in their rooms. And also my husband and I have some stuff stored away in there. We need to go through it, and then they can use them as places to store their stuff. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're doing here. We're also going to try to get her some shelves in because she's been collecting LOL dolls and she just keeps collecting, so she really needs a place to put them all on display. So yeah, anyway, so we're just going to clean up their rooms, and that's going to be about it.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So that's about it, guys. I'm just gonna fold these towels and put them away, and then I'm gonna show y'all the house after it's all clean and nice and tidy the way I like it. So anyway, like I said, if you like videos like these, then please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and comment below if you have any ideas on decor or anything I can do different in here. I really like to hear y'all's opinions on things. And thank you for the 80 subs. I know it's a new channel, but it's really fun growing, so I can't wait to get to 100. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna hop off of here and get supper going, so I will talk to y'all later. Bye.